Hey guys, Alan Corey here. Welcome to the House of AC. If this is your first time here, I'll give you a rundown on what to expect. I'm here to walk you through how to house fire. Now this probably sounds scary, not something you want for yourself, but I'm not actually talking about houses on fire. I'm talking about House F.I.R.E, the acronym, which stands for Financial Independence and Retiring Early, and how to get there through houses, rental houses, or real estate. That's what I've done for myself. And you don't have to have dreams of being a huge property mogul to drastically change your financial future. You can do it with a small handful of properties. You can get a property manager to handle it for you. If you don't want to be a landlord, there's a way to house fire for everyone. Now, I started with just a $150 bill that I hated. My $150 a month internet bill. There was no way that I could escape this bill because I needed internet access. And I couldn't save up all my money and buy a lifetime supply of internet access. I just knew this bill was going to be with me for the rest of my life. And so I set out on a way to kill this bill. And what I did is I bought a real estate property that I could rent out. And it cash flowed me $150 a month. That's all I was looking for. I just want something to cash flow me $150 a month. And with that, I was able to kill my bill. This house gave me free internet access for life. And over the years, that cash flows now at $300 a month. Not a ton of money, but it's covered my phone bill and my internet bill. And then I bought a couple other properties, one to kill my electric bill and my water bill. And eventually, after 3 or 4 purchases, all my bills were paid for. And that is what I mean by financial independence. Or retiring early. If I wanted to retire, I could. I have no bills anymore. Or I could pursue other passions in life. And that's what House F.I.R.E is all about. And that's what the House of AC is going to teach you how to do. So please check out my website, thehouseofac.com. I'm going to have a lot of resources for you, some blog posts and podcasts and newsletters and books and training courses, all of this to teach you how to house fire. Thanks for coming, and let's kill some bills together.